Dito tayo ngayon sa Petron, Molino Boulevard at titingnan natin yung test ride ng Royal Enfield. Kaya yung mga malapit dito sa may Bacoor, sa may Imus, Dasma, pwede kayong pumunta rito para mag-test ride ng Royal Enfield, mga classic bikes nila.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah,
yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great.
yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah,
yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah,
yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Christian, the sales supervisor for Royal Enfield Bacoor. I would like to invite you for our upcoming dealership soon. So late April or early May, mag-open kami along Molino Boulevard lang dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. And for now, pwede tayo mag-test ride dito sa Petron din, along Molino Boulevard din. Meron kaming test ride dito almost everyday din naman, or kung hindi naman everyday, pwede nyo kami i-follow sa Facebook Royal Enfield Bacoor, pwede nyo kami i-message for private schedule ng test ride.